Hi guys, Mitch here from Inverter Auto Electrics. Just want to show you a recent build we've done. This is a Chop 200 series Landcruiser. The chop was actually done by AEV up in Townsville. They've done a beautiful job. Same as the guys at Conweld in Bundaberg. Done a great job on the canopy. We love it. We've started off obviously by adding a work light at the back under the ostrich wing. We can set up camp. Obviously we've got the Bundu top rooftop tent, so having a light at the back makes things a lot easier for when we're trying to set up our camp. If you come this way, this is our kitchen area. We've added a strip light up on the top, I should say. This particular strip light also changes to orange to keep the bugs away at night. We've also wired up the Dometic upright fridge, plumbed in plumbing through the whole canopy itself. We put a Jolka hot water system on the back of it. Keep the kids happy. If you come this way, we've also done a few bits and bobs to the truck itself. Like adding in some LED lights, putting on the worn winch, your spotlights and UHFs, the general run-of-the-mill stuff that everyone sort of has. And then we come to the exciting bit, which is the Enerdrive system we've just put in on our control panels. This is a full lithium setup. To talk more about it, I'll hand you over to Remy from Enerdrive. We've been working very closely with Remy, and we've come up with a great product, we think.
Thanks a lot, Mitch. We've been working for a little while with the guys for Inverter Auto Electrics on this system. As you can see, they build these really nice control boxes. It works in really nicely with our systems, makes everything really neat and tidy. They've also got our 200 amp hour lithium in there, which has given them a bit over 300 amps worth of AGM batteries, if you're talking in the sense of what most people are understanding in the AGM terms. And then we've got our 2000 watt AC transfer unit up on top there. So that AC transfer unit up there is outstanding. It's got the RCD built in, which is all completely safe and compliant for everybody who's going to be using it. The system's come up really smick, guys. Really impressive work. It's looking great.
No worries at all. If you want anything done like this, please contact us at Inverter Auto Electrics and we will definitely build your dreams.